Good morning. So I just wanted to show you guys this because I feel like it would be really helpful for you for IEP input, SAP referral stuff, just everyday tracking. So I made it in a Google Doc, and the first thing I did was put everybody in alphabetically, and then I colored the sections. So like this first section, A through whatever, is one color, and then B, or yeah, the next group is a color, and the last group is a different color. You will notice for me and Amy, we have special ed kids that even though they're alphabetically supposed to be in this group, they're technically in another group for special ed. So they're a different, their color is based off of which section they're in. Um, but it's actually quite easy when you are logging the attendance in. It just goes right down in order. Even the special ed kids, like, see, I have Michaela Alberts here. And then it literally just goes right here. Check this out. So there's Michaela. So I would just go boom, boom, and then I scroll down, go through all my blues, and then that's my blue group. Um, I also over here in the side, you'll see I put a 1 for tier 1, and a star also means that they are special education. And then I even log in things like, oh, they only logged in for 4 minutes today. That way, if a parent says, well, they logged in, I can say, well, yeah, they logged in for 4 minutes. It just makes your life so much easier. And I promise you, once you start doing it, it'll take you like 5 minutes. So on my break in the morning, I typically do the first two sections, and then I'll do the last section that I have right after lunch break, just log it in. Let me know if you want me to share the roster with you or if you have any questions, but I think you'll find once you get started with it, it is super helpful and it helps cover your butt in regards to attendance and other things when people ask you for that information.